Hey loves, welcome to my first video of 2024. I hope you all have been well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this really pretty pink and black butterfly set for Valentine's Day. I am using the Xaness rubber base coat in the shade Cover Nude. It is a sheer light pink that pairs well with any color you apply on top of it. I love this product. I applied 2 coats, curing each for 30 seconds. The first design is a simple black French tip. I am using the Your Sugar Color Gel in the shade 666, and I'm starting off by creating my smile line with my liner brush. I applied 3 coats of this gel, curing each for 30 seconds. For my crystal application, I am using the Aimeili Builder Base. Since it is a vertical placement, I am only applying the builder base where I need it as to not bulk up the entirety of the nail and give myself more filing to do later. To further secure my nail art, I am going over that builder base with their No Wipe top coat. First, I am placing a hot pink rhinestone from this 12 color rhinestone wheel. Next is a crystal clear rhinestone from the Goldfinger brand, followed by a hot pink butterfly from the Calollary 24 color butterfly set on Amazon. Then I will repeat the placement of the hot pink and crystal clear stones. I cured this nail for 60 seconds. I am now using that top coat to fully encapsulate my stones and my little butterfly to fully cement them to my nail. Using this method, I have found that I do not lose anything that I put on top of my nails. For design number 2, I am using these gorgeous black butterflies from the TOFD 30 sheet butterfly water decal set. Since the swirl pattern that I decided to do will go from my cuticle to the free edge of my nail, I am applying the builder base all over my nail to make sure each stone is fully secured. Then I'm going over that with the top coat. I am encapsulating my stones with the top coat and curing for an additional 30 seconds. I haven't done my nails since last October, so I am so excited to finally have a new set. These nails are so pretty and I love the pink and black color combination. All of the products that I used will be available in the description. Leave me a comment below telling me what you think of today's video, and until next time, bye loves!